Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in India. The link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on link eSimVoyafly.com and open this web page voyafly.com. Alright, service number 1 for eSIM. Alright, and click on this and write India and click on this. Open new page and high-speed 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. This is very good. And choose data type, unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited data and choose speed plan, light or plus. I recommend plus and click on select your days. I select 30 days and click on buy it now. Open new page and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Alright, this discount, this very good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, write payment and billing address and click on buy now. And open new page and buy SIM and send your email QR code, instruction, activation, and eSIM this work. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.